Hello guys and welcome. In this tutorial video I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to process a tax invoice on Sage Pastel Accounting. To process that, I need to go to the process tab. When I get to the process tab, you go to customers. When you get to customers, you can see that on the far left corner there is where it's written top document type, and if you click on the drop down arrow, we have different types of document types, starting from quotation, sales order, tax invoice, credit note and debit note. So what I want to do today is to process a tax invoice. Then you go to the customer. On the customer, I'll just select any of them. So I'll just assume that Albert Samantha is transacting with the company for exchange of goods and services. It says the date you have entered is out of period. Then I'll just click on OK for this one. And remember, if you click on inclusive, it means that the amount that you're going to enter here is inclusive of VAT. If you untick it, you can see that it changes to exclusive price. So I'll just leave it on inclusive price. Then on the period, I'll just leave it as it is. It says the period is out of date. It's fine. I'll just leave it as it is to demonstrate what I want to demonstrate here. Then on the type, if it's an exchange of goods or services that the company is using as their trading stock or inventory, you need to use item code. So I'll just select on item code, and then I'll just assume that this person is just buying massage balls. Then I'll just take them. On the quantity, I'll just assume that this person is actually buying 5 of them. This person is buying 5. And if you click on search bar on inclusive price, you can see that we don't have any prices set for this particular entity. But if you want to know how to preset selling prices, you can check one of my videos where I was creating where I was demonstrating on how to set price lists on Sage Pastel Accounting. You can go to that and then see how you preset the selling prices on the price list. So you can see that the company has 3 price lists as it stands, but we did not set the prices here. So it means that I'll just have to manually insert those prices. I'll just assume that one of them is being sold at 50 rands inclusive of VAT. And then there it is, my tax invoice is processed. Then after that, I'll just have to go to update, and then you need to update that particular batch. Then that is how you create a tax invoice on Sage Pastel Accounting.